Okay, now we saw some question paper. Okay, so in this, the first question is uh, identify the correct statement. Okay, okay, this is first question. Okay, so in this you can see. Okay, so in this you can see the first statement. You see. Okay, the first it is asking that ANOVA is used to test the homogeneity of several variants. Okay, ANOVA is used to test the homogeneity of several variants. Okay, so this is false because we are using ANOVA to test the homogeneity of mean, several mean. Okay, ANOVA is used to test more than two mean. Okay, but here they told it is used to test homogeneity of several variants, so it is false. And second statement is t-test is used in ANOVA table. So it is false. Okay, because in ANOVA table, see here. Okay, so this is ANOVA table. Okay, and this is ANOVA table. Okay, so in this we are using f test here, f. Okay, so in ANOVA table we are using f test because we are comparing variance. Okay, in ANOVA table we are comparing variance. Okay, so we are using f test. Okay, so it is false. On third statement, see, third is one of the assumption of ANOVA is population from which the sample is done is normally distributed. Okay, so this is true. Okay, so, okay, this one is true, and we will see the fourth one. ANOVA is used to test the hypothesis of the form mu1 is equal to mu2. This is false because here we are having only two means. Okay, here we are having only two means. Okay, but ANOVA is used to test more than two means, so it is false. Similarly, in fifth statement you can see ANOVA is used to test the alternate hypothesis of the form h1 is equal to all mean are different. Okay, all mean are different. Okay, so it is false. Okay, that is at least two mean different. Okay, so in ANOVA, in alternate hypothesis, the answer is at least two mean, but here it became all mean. Okay, so this is false. Okay, the first one is false, second one is false, and fourth one is false, fifth is false. So this is true. Okay, so answer is this one. Okay, so this is the answer. Second question. See, in second question, it asked identify the incorrect statement. Okay, so here you can see ANOVA was given by R.A. Fisher. It is true. Okay, ANOVA and design of experiments was given by R.A. Fisher. Okay, so ANOVA and design of experiments. Okay, both are given by R.A. Fisher. Okay, ANOVA and design of experiments are same. Okay, it is false. Okay, because ANOVA is a technique we are applying the design of experiments. See here. Okay, so here we can see the CRE design. Okay, okay, CRE design completely completely randomized design. Okay, so in this design we are using ANOVA. Okay, so in this design only we are using ANOVA. Okay, so ANOVA and design of experiments are not same, so it is false. Okay, this one is false. Sorry, this one is false. Okay, this is false, this is true. Okay, ANOVA is a technique that is applied to design of experiments, so it is true, and it is true, it is true. So answer is this one. Okay, this is answer. Okay, ANOVA and design of experiments are same, that is false. Next question, see, which of the following statement is true regarding the below given layout? Okay, so first you want to see what is the layout. Okay, they gave layout. Okay, so from this layout we want to identify the design. Okay, what is the design? See here, the treatment repeating in column. Okay, but not in row. Okay, so in this layout the treatment repeating in column. Okay, but not in row. See here. Okay, sorry, in this you can see the T1, T5, T2, T4, T3. So treatment is not repeating in row. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T1, T2, T3. Okay, so here you can see the treatment is not repeating in rows and column. Okay, so but it can so it can be either CRD or RBD, okay, but sorry, it can be either RBD or LSD, okay, but here okay, in LSD the number of treatment will be equal to number of replication, okay, so it so this design will not be LSD, okay, and it will not be CRD, okay, so in CRD there will be repetition will be there, okay. So this is the layout given above is RBD design with 5 treatment and 5 blocks, okay, but it is false, okay, because why false means and this design is RBD design, okay, but the treatment is 5 but the block is 3 block, okay, here the row is block, okay, because in the row only we are having complete treatment, in the row only we are having complete treatment, okay, T1 T2 T3 T4 T5, similarly T1 T2 T3 T4 T5, similarly T1 T2 T3 T4 T5, okay, so in the row only we are having the complete treatment, okay, so this here the row is block, okay, so in this design we are having only 3 block, but here they gave the 5 block, so it is false. So the layout given above is CRD with 5 treatment and 3 blocks, so it is false, okay, because in CRD design there will be no blocks, okay, CRD there will be no blocks, okay, it is false. The number of observation in this layout is 15 and the column represent block, so it is false. So here number of here the number of observation is 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, okay, so number of observation is 15, but here the row is block, okay, but here they told the column represent block, so it is false. Fourth one they told the number of observation in this layout is 15 and the row represent block, okay, so it is true, okay, so the fourth one is true because this design is the RBD design, okay, so this layout is the RBD layout, okay, with 3 blocks and 5 treatment and total observation, okay, so this layout is the number of observation in this layout is 15 and the row represent block, so it is true, okay, so this is the answer. An error degree of freedom in LSD design with 5 treatment is, okay, so here you want to apply the formula, okay, so here okay, here the answer is 12, okay, 12 is the answer, okay, so here you want to apply the formula. In which of the design only two basic design experiment is used, okay, so the answer is CRD, okay, so in CRD only we will use only 3 and 2 basic design experiments, okay, see here, see principal design is replication, randomization and local control, okay, but in CRD we will not use local control, in CRD we will not use local control, okay, so CRD is the answer, okay, CRD is the answer. Next one is okay, for this one the answer is this one, third one, okay, and local control is done to reduce and estimate the experimental error, okay, so this is false because local control is only to reduce the error, not to estimate, okay, local control will only reduce the error, okay, it will not estimate the error, so it is false, this is answer, okay, so in this you can see, okay, see first one sorry, the first point they told the replication is done to estimate and to reduce the error, so this is true, and second point they told randomization is done to estimate a valid error, so this is also true. In third one they told local control is done to reduce and estimate the experimental error, okay, so this is false because local control will only reduce the error, okay, see here local control will only reduce the error, okay,